Welcome to Stackable, your all-in-one solution to building stunning websites with the WordPress block editor. In this video, we'll be giving you a quick tour of Stackable's global settings and block defaults feature. These design options help you maintain a consistent design across your website. To access Stackable's global settings, simply click on the Stackable logo at the top right of the block editor. As you can see, the Global Settings menu offers three key features: Global Color Palette, Global Typography, and Block Defaults. Let's explore what we can do with each of them. First up, we have the Global Color Palette. This allows you to define a set of colors that you can easily apply to different blocks across your website. You can add, edit, and delete colors from this palette. Once you've set your colors here, they will be available for quick selection in the color picker when you customize your blocks. You can rename each global color by clicking on the text, and reorder the colors by dragging the hamburger icon up or down the list. These changes will appear in the color picker as well. When you edit the colors you've already used in your blocks, they will adopt these updated colors. Below the Global Color Palette, you can choose to show or hide the theme, default, and site editor custom colors in the color picker. This removes the other color palettes if you don't need them to make color selection more convenient. Next, we have the Global Typography settings. This lets you establish consistent typography across all your blocks. You can choose to apply the typography styles only to selected blocks by choosing from this drop-down menu. Now click on the pencil button to open the typography settings, so you can choose your font family, font size, weight, and other typography options for your headings, subtitles, and body text. When you make changes to the global typography, the changes will also reflect throughout the entire site. Some typography settings can be adjusted for tablet and mobile screens. Click on the responsive toggle icons to edit these typography settings in tablet or mobile view. Lastly, we have the Block Defaults feature. This is incredibly handy as it allows you to set default styles for specific blocks, resulting in a uniform design across your website. For example, you can define a default layout, colors, typography, and other design aspects for a specific block. Every time you add that block, it will automatically adopt the settings you've chosen. And there you have it! Stackable's global settings and block defaults make it easy to maintain a harmonious design across your entire website. Whether it's color palettes, typography, or block styles, you have full control over creating a cohesive and stunning design throughout your site. Have a great time designing with Stackable. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Stackable updates, tips, and tutorials. You can also join our Facebook community or visit our website for more information. We'll link them down below.